Congratulations, you're on the gold page here. You elected to buy the training and also the website, so you can install our template website and be able to use it to help sell ad traffic. It works very well. I make literally millions of dollars using essentially the exact same format. Matter of fact, it is some of my custom software that manages the order management, handles payments, stuff like that. So you get it all here for the price you paid. Now, you elected to install it yourself. It isn't hard to do. If you know something about hosting, if you know something about blogs, you're way ahead of the game. If not, you may struggle a little bit, but even at that, it's not hard to do. What we got here on this page is the little bit of information and then the download file. When you download that file, it's a zip file. That zip file will contain two files. One will be another zip file, which is the blog itself. Do not unzip that file, at least not yet. You'll do that later on. The other is the installer program that will actually install it for you. I also provided a link, which is right here, to the software, so you can get the training you need to be able to install the website. It has all the training you need. It isn't very hard to do. Essentially, all you're going to do is upload two files to your host. Make sure you have the database set up, and then you're going to copy and paste the hosting information, the database information into the installer, and it will be done. Once that's done, there'll be a page in there with the instructions on how to set things up, configure, and promote the website. So congratulations on your purchase. This is a wonderful business. Good luck. And if you need help, hit our support desk. I do not offer one-on-one training, support, and installation work unless you buy the platinum version. But if you want to upgrade to that, let me know. I'll help you through the process. Thank you.